Hello, this is Pete Vanderburgh, and this is my video for Multisensory Math 1. Today is a third grade lesson covering multiples of 6. And my lovely wife Grace is here today as my student, and so we will begin. Okay, today we are going to talk about multiples of 6. We've done multiples of 5. Multiples of 6 are a little different. So I have a string with wings. So we have groups of beads. How many beads are in this group?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good, good. Do we have the same number of beads in every group?
Yes.
We do.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we say that we have groups of 6?
Okay.
Okay. So if we take one group, we can say one group of 6 is
6.
Thank you. We have two groups of 6. How many beads?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. Okay. So, you can say the answers with me. One group of 6 is
6.
two groups of 6 is
12.
good. We can also say it as 1 times 6. So, saying just the answers. 1 times 6 is
6.
good. 2 times 6 is
12.
great. Now let's say them together. Ready? 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Good. Okay. Now, I'd like you to, we'll do that again, and this time you move each group as we say it. Okay?
Okay.
So, starting with
1 times 6 is 6.
Good. 2 times
Times
6
6
is
is 12.
good. Let's move on to 3 groups of 6. If one group of 6 is 6, good. 2 groups of 6 is 12. How many beads in 3 groups of 6?
That's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. Excellent. So let's go back to saying together, and you push the beads. Okay, ready? 1 times 6
6
is
6.
good. Let's get our group. Good. 2 times 6 is 12. Good. 3
times
6 is
18.
18. Great. So we now, one group of 6 is 6. 2 groups is 12. 3 groups is
18.
excellent. Good. Let's go on to 4 groups.
Ooh.
Yeah. Okay. So if we look at these groups, let's review again. One group of 6 is how many?
6.
Good. 2 groups of 6 is
12.
3 groups of 6 is
18.
how many beads? 4 groups of 6.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24. Great. So let's review. You push the beads, and we will say together times. So we'll start with this one.
So
1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is
12.
good. 3 times 6 is
18.
good. 4 times 6 is
24.
very good. All right, so if we look at each group, we know these are groups of 6. We can tell how many beads. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is
12.
3 times 6 is
18.
4 times 6 is
24.
good. Now, I'm going to point to a place on the string of beads, and you tell me how many beads there are.
Okay.
So, this is 1 times 6.
6. 12.
Good.
18. 24.
Good.
18.
Good.
12.
Mhm.
6.
Good. Now I'm going to skip around a little bit. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay.
18.
Good.
12.
Mhm.
24. 6. 12. 6. 18.
Very good. I started to go fast.
Alright.
Okay, so we know that we have multiples of 6.
6.
All right, let's do a little bit of division.
Okay.
Okay. How many beads do we have altogether here?
24.
24. How many groups of 6 can I make with 24 beads?
We have 4 groups.
We have 4 groups, exactly. Okay. I can use the beads to show this. How many groups of 6 can we make with 12 beads?
2.
2.
2 groups of 6.
In fact, we can say 12 divided by 6 is 2. Very good. Okay. Let's consider how many groups of 6 can I make from 18 beads?
3.
3 groups of 6. Good. Now we can make things, well, we can do something a little bit more challenging. Okay?
Okay.
Suppose I have 21 beads. How many groups of 6 can you make from 21 beads?
There are 3 groups of 6, but then there are the leftovers.
Oh, that's right, there are leftovers. So we have 3 groups of 6, 6, 12, 18, and then, whoops, let me move that over. Can we make a whole group out of that?
No.
We can't. What do we call the leftovers?
Remainders.
Remainders, exactly. This is a remainder because we cannot make a whole group of 6. And that's fine, right? So from 21 beads, we can make 1, 2, 3 groups of 6 with a remainder of
3.
Excellent. Okay. So we have used the string with wings to do multiplication and division by 6s. I'd like to switch to something a little bit different. Okay. I have a picture of, what is this?
Lego.
A Lego. The original Legos were blocks with 6 pegs on them. So we will draw rectangles with 6 pegs. Okay. Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
Extra dot.
Extra dot. Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wonderful. Thank you. Does this show us, well, this shows us how many groups of 6?
4.
4 groups. Each Lego is a group. So this Lego is 1 group of 6.
Yeah.
How many pegs?
6 pegs, because
Good.
it's a group of 6 pegs.
Good. 2 groups of 6.
6.
How many pegs?
6.
We have 1 group of 6 is 6 pegs. 2 groups of 6 is
12 pegs.
3 groups of 6 is
18 pegs.
4 groups of 6 is
24
24 what?
pegs.
Excellent. So we can use the same groups of 6 in a drawing to review multiples of 6. Right? Are we using the same numbers we used for the beads?
Yeah.
We are. Okay. Now I want to give you a different marker. How many pegs do we have in these groups?
24.
24 total. What if we had different groups? If we had groups of 4? Let's do this. Circle a group of 4 pegs and find another group of 4 pegs. See how many groups of 4 pegs you can get. Oh.
There are 4 groups of 4 pegs, and then there's 2 left over there.
We do have some leftovers, but can we make a group of 4 pegs?
Yeah.
We can. So there's a group.
Because there are 2 2s and That's
Exactly.
4.
Good. Okay. So now, how many groups, how many red circles do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We have 6 groups. Okay. And how many pegs in each group?
4.
4.
So
Do we-
6 groups of 4.
6 groups of 4. Before we used the red marker, we had 4 groups of 6.
Yeah.
Now we have 6 groups of
Yeah.
of 4. And how many pegs total?
Still 24.
Still 24. Did the number of pegs change?
No.
No. Okay. So we can use groups that we draw to multiply and divide.
Okay.
Okay? I have one more activity for today.
Okay.
Okay. You've seen this. This is
Oh, it's multiplication
it's
table.
multiplication table. Now that we've been practicing groups of 6, you can fill out the 6 times table by looking at one group of 6 is,
6.
here you go. We can even say as we go, 2 groups of,
groups of 6 is 12.
mhm,
3 groups of 6 is 18.
good.
4 groups of 6 is 24.
This one
Woo.
we know,
Because we did it the other day.
we did 5s.
5.
5, let's say it, 5
5
groups
groups
of,
of 6 is
is-
30.
okay.
6 groups of 6 is
Mhm.
well,
We can
30.
add, mhm,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
good.
36.
Mhm.
And
7 groups of 6.
6. So 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42.
Mhm.
8
8 groups of 6.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48.
Good. This one we know.
9 groups of
Nice.
6, 54.
Mhm.
And 10 groups of 6, that's going to be 60.
Yep, because we know
Yes.
our...
Tens.
Excellent. Great job.
Cool.